This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the PLC model and firmware, so you pick the right drivers and settings. Next, install TIA Portal or Step 7 and required Ethernet drivers on your machine. This ensures compatibility. Then, set your PC IP address into the same subnet as the PLC and temporarily disable VPNs or restrictive firewalls, because network isolation blocks discovery. Once done, physically connect the Ethernet cable to the PLC and your switch or PC so you can proceed to device discovery. Now open TIA Portal and use online accessible devices to discover the PLC on the network. This finds devices by ARP and Siemens discovery protocols. Make sure your PG/PC interface is set to the correct Ethernet adapter so packets route properly. Once the PLC appears, edit its network settings. Assign or confirm the IP, subnet mask, and gateway so other devices reach it. After verifying addresses, compile if needed and download the configuration to the PLC to apply the network parameters. To finish, validate the link. Ping the PLC IP and in TIA Portal select Online Go Online to confirm communication and block/table visibility. If it fails, inspect physical LEDs on the PLC and switch for link and activity. Subtle cable faults show here. Also verify there are no duplicate IPs on the subnet because that causes intermittent loss. If problems persist, restart the PLC and PC, reassign a temporary IP, or re-upload the project. These steps usually resolve configuration or firmware mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.